Hey everybody. It's me, Maximilian. I just want to say hello. Show you how I move around. Show you what I've been up to. No, 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 no. Come over here. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Over this way. Come on, little pumpkin. Come over here. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come on. Come to mama. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. Up on your knees. Crawl. Yeah. Come on. Good boy. Oh. That's your first real crawling attempt. That's exciting. That's fantastic. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Oh, it's all so exciting, isn't it? So much freedom when you can move around however you like. Yeah. Oh, Maximilian. Say hi, everybody. Have a nice weekend. Oh, okay. No, don't go over there. No, that's not good for the dishwasher. Come on. Say bye.